guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a new recipe like every Monday, and I'm gonna show you how to make this cake, which in Italian is called ciambellone, which is a kind of plum cake. It's I would describe it as a chiffon cake, but it's very moist. This in particular doesn't have any dairy, so no butter, no milk, but has olive oil, as you can see here. And the flavors I put in are orange and chocolate chips, but you could easily not put anything, just make it plain, or just add some cocoa butter to make it chocolatey, whatever flavor you might like. So it's very easy, it could last even a week long. As you can see, I'm gonna cover it with this glass top, so it's gonna last longer and it's gonna keep the moisture in. I'm gonna give it to my daughter for breakfast or as a snack for the afternoon. I'm just gonna leave you to the photos and the video. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and leave me a comment down below because it always helps me, and I post a lot of different kinds of videos, so please subscribe. Thank you again and enjoy the video. Bye! So we start by taking our KitchenAid with the whisk and putting 5 eggs. They have to be room temperature, it's very important, and a cup of sugar. You add everything in the mixer and add the zest of 1 orange. You start the mixer and it has to mix for at least 10 minutes. It's very important that the eggs are room temperature and not cold. While it's mixing, you'll add a pinch of salt and you just let it mix for 10 minutes. Once you see that the eggs are turning lighter and get more air in it, you can add a little at a time, half a cup of olive oil, as you can see here in the video. It's very important you don't put it all together, but just as you can see here, little by little. Once you add all the oil, you can mix together a quarter cup of water and the juice of 1 orange together, and again you add it to the mixer a little at a time. Now that everything is mixed together, you can stop the KitchenAid and put all of this on the side. Here I'm taking a cup and a third of flour. I'm gonna stir everything together with 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And I'm gonna add a cup of chocolate chips. It's not mandatory. If you don't want to put chocolate chips, you don't have to. And I'm gonna add everything to the egg mixture we made before and mix it all together without over mixing it, because I wanted to remind you that the eggs got a lot of air in it, so you don't want to over mix it. Here I'm taking the typical ciambellone pan we use in Italy that has a hole in the middle, but you can use a cake pan or a plum cake, whatever you have at home. I'm gonna butter it up with some soft butter and put flour on it. I really like to do this step because it helps me taking the cake out once it's baked. I'm gonna put all the cake batter we had made before in the pan. I'm sorry if my arm is on the way, but I had some difficulties at the moment. And now I'm gonna bake everything at 360 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Once the cake is baked, I just let it cool down for pretty much 30 minutes. And now I'm gonna show you how I take it out, which is usually the worst part because it's always hard, but if you butter and flour the pan really good, that's not too bad. And now that the cake is on its serving plate, I'm gonna do a little icing on the top. Obviously you don't have to do it, you could just do some powdered sugar or leave it as it is. I'm gonna do the icing with a tablespoon of water and a cup of powdered sugar, just a very tiny bit that I'm gonna spread out like you see here. And as a little decoration, I'm gonna peel some orange skin and put it on top. And that's pretty much it. I just want to give you a few tips. Of course, this is a non-dairy cake, so I have to say that olive oil makes it very soft and moisture, but if you want to keep it as it is for a few days, you should cover it. The best thing is something like a glass top, or if you have a container, that will be great. But that's a very nice recipe, so it's perfect for like a week-long breakfast. As you can see here, the slices are so soft, it's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and as always I remind you to please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye.